Hey, Maddie. So, bear with me as I am clicking around a million and a half different places and probably talking a mile a minute. But so I have exported my sandbox. This is my sandbox. It's horrible. It looks ridiculous. But anyway, if you ever want to export something, which I have been reading that exporting your Canvas pages at the end of the school year is not a bad idea to do. I've just been reading about that online. Anyway, you go down here to settings, and then you export your course content. When you are exporting, you export the entire thing. I'm assuming that our Canvas classes are going to take longer. There's not as much stuff in my sandbox, but what you have to do if you're going to export it, again, I've already emailed you the export, so I'm going to show you how to import it in a second. But I do know this. If you're going to export your content, even from like one of your other classes, you have to click where it says New Export, and that will actually download that file to your computer for you, okay? So when you're ready to import whatever it is that you're going to import, okay, so I'm going to go to my 6th period class, so and you can do this to all of your geometry. You just have to do it to each class individually. But anyway, so I'm going to import the course content. So you go to settings, same place we were before, and we're going to import course content. And then we're going to, up here where it says content type, you have to go to Canvas Course Export Package, choose your file. Now, I just exported it just now. That's what this file is. But if you have downloaded my sandbox onto your computer, you'll be able to find it on your folder. Okay? So just go find that. And then you want to just do specific content because you don't want everything to go in, right? So just specific content. Click import. It's going to show up down here that it's queued, right? Keep your fingers crossed that it comes up. Okay, that's a good sign. It's running. Okay, and then it's waiting for selection. So we're going to go to select content. You just find the rubric, which is called 3D Dreamhouse. Select it. It's going to run and import it. And again, keep your fingers crossed there. Okay, now it says it's complete. And so when you go into rubrics, you can just check to make sure that it's actually there. And it is. Okay. The other thing, and I guess we can talk about this too, but when we go to grade it, and we go to do the actual project, right? So I'm just adding in a quiz or whatever. I don't think you can add the rubric until you've actually designed the quiz itself. So I don't know what you want to do. If you want to do a file upload, give the kids some directions, whatever. Let's make this be 100 points, I think. I'm not entirely sure about this. Don't quote me on this. I want to update my question and then save it. I don't want to publish this yet. So I think what you have to do, though, after it's saved, is you go up to these 3 dots when it's done. Come on, Internet. When it's done, and then you can add in the rubric. Okay, sorry, I got a little impatient. Okay, so anyway, so when you're here, before you publish it, before you do anything, show rubric, you can add in that rubric that we just downloaded. So we want to find it. Click on the class, right? So mine is in here. Oh, look at that. My sandbox came up. I wonder if you can put it from there. Name project. That was first quarter 3D project. Click on it. Use this rubric. And then I honestly don't remember how it works when you go to grade it. So I don't think you can grade it until someone actually takes it and submits it. But it is there. So if you click on those 3 little dots, show rubric, it does pop up. Okay? Anyway, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, just let me know. Or if you already know how to do it, you probably aren't even watching this video. And now I can't even stop the video. Crazy. Done.